The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sheridan County in south-central North Dakota, southeastern McLean County in south-central North Dakota, northwestern Burley County in south-central North Dakota, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles southeast of Wilton, or 22 miles north of Bismarck, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wilton around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Johns Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.